2026 is here, and maybe you're asking yourself, now what? But the real question isn't what should you do, is what are you still ignoring? Think about it. Hi, my name is Bonnie. Welcome back to my channel, Healthy Done My Way. Okay, yes, 2026 is here. You want to know, what am I to do this year? Well, I know, because you try to take care of yourself. You have. You've learned a lot, so much, and you survived so many different things that has made you stronger. And yet, something inside, you just know that the old way of doing wellness, well, it doesn't work anymore. So, today, I want to talk about a different approach that starts with these three truths. First being, your body already know what to do. It was created to do that. Secondly, your mind must lead. Thirdly, and when these two align, true wellness follows. So, let's start with your body. Okay. Your body is not broken unless you have a broken limb or something. It's not falling apart, and it's definitely not betraying you. No. Your body has been communicating, yes, communicating to you this entire time, communicating with you this entire time through fatigue, tension, cravings, mood changes, what else? uh, Through symptoms that show up when you've been, well, pushing yourself too hard, or ignoring your needs. Does that sound familiar? In 2026, ladies, wellness is no longer about forcing your body to comply. No, ma'am, we are not doing that anymore. It is about listening, learning how to listen again. Because your body keeps the score. It does. It remembers everything. It remembers stress, burnouts. It remembers when you've been living out of alignment. Sorry about that. And here's the truth. We as women were never taught that. We were never taught that listening to your body is not weakness. No, it's wisdom. It keeps you going. The wisdom in listening keeps you going to do what you need to do. But listening alone isn't enough. It's not. And this is where we get stuck. We start out listening, and we do that well. We notice what doesn't feel good, the aches, the pain, the mental distress. We become aware, and then nothing changes. Why? Well, because awareness without strategic action, taking step, doesn't create change. It doesn't create transformation. So this is where I bring in the mind. The mind comes in. It's like the mind is like your control center. It's here to guide you, to lead you, to show you the way. Because your mind decides whether you're going to honor the signal or override it. Ignore it. It decides whether you're going to rest or push through it, whether you are going to choose alignment or familiar patterns that keep you in that way, unhealthy way. True wellness requires conscious decisions, not just intuition. No, your body speaks. Your body, it does, it speaks. Your mind chooses to take action. And in 2026, this year, that choice matters more than ever. It really does. And we are going to make the right choice. Because many of us as women, the mind has been trained to criticize. us instead of guide us. You know what I'm speaking of, ladies. I should be doing more. I shouldn't feel that way. Really? Or I just need more discipline. You have enough discipline. You have enough discipline to start where you are. Yes, no matter how little the discipline is, you can start there. Because that voice is not leading you, it's not guiding you, it's not directing you. What it's doing is it's conditioning you. It's conditioning you to stay in the same mindset that you are in now. Because now we're going to lead with our mind. Lead my it me leading with our mind is like it's like training our mind to be disciplined and to be present right now. A mind leadership sort of mindset is to be more aware, intentional in your thinking, not just rambling on like I do sometimes. And also mind leadership is creating emotional balance. Don't let it hijack you, okay? It's about guiding yourself with clarity, compassion, and integrity, truth. Having this type of mindset, it allows you to respond instead of react to certain circumstances or react or respond to yourself or others for that matter. My words are getting twisted. Okay. All right. Let me get my bearings. Okay. Yeah. So when your mind leads with clarity instead of judgment, well, you're, well, in a way, your nervous system, get this, your nervous system settles, which means it calms down. It enables you to be able to make these sound decisions. Your hormones respond in a healthy, beneficial way. Also, this type of mindset, your habits become sustainable. It becomes long term. Having this type of leadership mindset, leading yourself, let your mind lead, that is. So when your mind, I'm sorry, when your mind, your thoughts, your choices and actions are in alignment with each other, they partner with each other, well, it supports your body instead of fighting it. Yes. And here's the thing. Healing becomes possible when you do this, when we do this, when we rely on our mind to be centered as the making decision type sort of things. Does that make sense? Okay, so what does true wellness looks like in 2026? Rebecca, I am so happy that you asked that question, and I have a very good answer for you. I can tell you this thing is not taking extreme measures. No, it's not trying to be perfect. You're not trying to do those type of things. No, you're taking baby steps. You're starting where you are and you are creating something there. It's making conscious, grounded choices. Yes. Wellness in 2026 looks like listening to your body. It's leading with your mind. Yes, leading with your mind, not your emotions. No, don't let your emotion take control. It's only indicators, not your guide, not your master. Your body already knows the way forward. It does. Just let it create the right environment within. Okay? Rather you take the lead or not. Let it take the lead or not because your mind will make the choice. Rather you take the lead or not. Okay? Because true wellness isn't something you chase. It's something you live. So take control. Stop. We can't allow others to control us. We can't allow in that way. Our mind was given to us as a tool to direct us, to guide us. And I keep saying that because I want this to resonate and take root in you. Your mind make the decision, not your emotions. No, not your emotions. When your body speak to you, and it will, it will, listen and then take the steps you need to take that will guide you in a way that will address the issue and not letting your emotions take control. All right? Don't lead by emotions, lead by your mind, and that is your intent. Being intentional, being aware, but taking actions. Taking action. Okay, I said a lot. Okay, that's all I wanted to discuss. I just wanted to just jump in this week to say hi, and I hope that you guys have an incredible new year, because it will. Only if you take control, you lead with your mind. Does that sound doable? All right. So let 2026 be your healthiest year moving forward. Bye.